Hi guys! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito pang aking reading para sa mga Virgo na currently in a relationship. So by the way, this is general love reading. So pwede kang hindi makarelate dito sa mga sasabihin kong sitwasyon. Kung makaka-relate ka, kunin mo lang yung sitwasyon na tingin mong maakma sa'yo ngayon. Okay? So time is fluid guys. So kung wina-watch mo to this is for December 2020 up to January 2021. Pero possible kasi ito na mga February, June, July, mga ganyan. And then you're watching this, pwedeng akma itong panahon na ito pa lang talaga yung time na dapat mong ma-watch ito. Okay, so let's start the reading. We have here Five of Cups as your person's main energy and the World as your main energy. By the way, pwede magkapalit-palit yung roles ha. So, bahala ka na maglagay sa sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Pwedeng ikaw itong Five of Cups and then pwedeng yung person mo yung the World. So, bahala ka na po doon. Okay, so let's start. We have here Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces as the energy of the Five of Cups and the King of Cups, and Virgo energy. What do we have here? I'm sorry, I have to check. Nakalimutan ko yung cards dito sa ilalim. Sagittarius, Aries, Leo. Okay. Okay, so yun lang po yung lumabas dito. But then, wag kang mag-focus doon sa mga sinabing zodiac sign dahil energy lang po yung ating wag mong pansinin yung mga zodiac sign na sinabi ko. We also have Taurus and Capricorn energy here. So, ang nakukuha ko po dito with the Five of Cups, currently your person is actually having these regrets. Okay, meron siyang mga pinanghihinayangan. Meron siyang, I feel like there's this lost or may nawala dito sa person mo na ito. For some of you, you might be married to this person with the religious factors right here, and maaaring unti-unting nagde-develop yung spiritual knowledge ng person mo. Okay, maaaring hindi niya lang sinasabi sa'yo, pero I feel like yung person mo is nagkakaroon ng mga parang sign, clues, ganyan. And it feels like yun yung nakakapagpa-dagdag dito sa pain or dito sa sorrow na nararamdaman ko dito sa person mo. Currently, hindi siya okay. May mga iniisip siyang hindi sinasabi sa'yo. May mga bagay siyang pinanghihinayangan. I feel like this person is looking at I see two people, okay? So, maaaring with the World, we have here someone from your past that is returning in your life. Okay, so maaaring we have here past relationship. So, maaaring this is your ex, this is someone from your past, pero I can see, you see a stability towards this person. Yung person mo, for what I can see here, this person is the Queen of Pentacles energy. Ito ng person mo. This is at the bottom of the deck. And for some of you, there's a high chance that this is a soulmate and twin flame connection. We have here like and tracks, likes. Yeah, and also new love. Okay? So, maaaring hindi alam ng person mo ito, or for some of you, pwedeng alam ng person mo, may idea siya, and with the worth waiting for right here, someone here is waiting. Possible na ikaw itong naghihintay, or possible din naman na yung person mo yung naghihintay. So, take what resonates. And, whatever you are waiting, or whatever this person is waiting, your person is waiting, we have here for very soon. So, malapit na po iyon, kung ano man po yung hinihintay na iyon. For some of you, I'm sorry to say, I see an ending of a relationship because we also have here forgiving and learning. Kumbaga, medyo advance lang po. Nasa kapatawaran na. Paano magkakaroon ng kapatawaran kung wala munang magkakaroon ng parang sabihin na nating ending. For some of you, ang nakukuha ko is hindi naman talaga totally wreck. Might be pag-aaway lang or gulo, ganyan. And also, someone is going to release. I feel like there's a release na mangyayari dito. So, high possibility of an ending of a relationship. Pero possible din naman na magkaayos or may pag-aayos dito. Kung ano man itong malapit na ito, malapit na po yon. Okay? And yeah, someone is in the picture right here. We also have here the Queen of Wands. I feel like this is the energy again of the other person involved in the situation. He or she is the Queen of Wands. Kung sino dito yung in relationship actually. I mean yung may kakonect na iba. Possible na yung person mo, possible na ikaw. Take what resonates. Pero this person is the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Sobrang galing nitong person na ito. I mean, there's this energy na nagpipigil lang itong person na ito kasi we also have here 9 of swords, okay, and 5 of swords. So nagpipigil siya, may mga bagay siya na hindi sinasabi or maaaring hindi inaamin because pwedeng mag-cause ng gulo, ng away, ng sabihin na nating total wreck nga talaga ang mangyayari. Kaya once na nagsalita itong person na ito, and possible yon dahil you are very welcoming and I see you waiting din dito sa side mo. So possible na ikaw itong may nagre-return dito na from the past. And we also have here true love and appreciate this moment. For now, you are well concentrated dito kasi sa nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. But I see this person, I mean your person is like as long as you are with me, parang I wouldn't bother to parang think. Pero maaaring pinakikita niya lang yon. Pero yung emotion niya actually, for what I can see here, there's a lot of pain, there's a lot of regrets, there's a lot of jealousy, okay? But then, para lang magkaroon ng harmony dito or kaayusan sa inyong dalawa, I feel like this person is willing to, kumbaga, we have here the Hermit on your person's mode. I mean, on your person's side. So, maaaring tinatry niya ang i-conceal or itago itong mga ito just to have this harmony. Okay? Or para walang maging gulo. Or para maging mas tuloy-tuloy yung pagsasama ninyo or yung relationship ninyo. But at the back of his mind, nandito yung thoughts niya na what would happen next. Parang hindi na siya sigurado sa relationship kasi nga I see someone here na medyo, although it is very impossible dahil for some of you might be married, unti-unting nagbo-bloom. Okay, yun po yung nakukuha ko dito. Unti-unting lumalalim, nagbo-bloom. And I see someone here crying, so possible na yung other person involved dito is crying while thinking na medyo mabigat itong kailangan pagdaanan, okay, dito kasi medyo mahirap, okay. Pero we also have here religious factor. I feel like this is guided by the divine. Kumbaga kung ano man ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon, it's like someone is guiding you. Okay? So, kung ano man yung mga desisyon na gawin mo sa buhay mo, kung ano man yung mga nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, I feel like might has something to do with pakikiapid. Okay? I see someone here pakikiapid or pangaakit. But then, I feel like well-guided kayo dito Okay? So, kung ano man yung nangyayari ngayon, all you have to do is pray, and pray. Okay? Dahil, people will guide you. I mean, no, your spirit guides will guide you. Oh, why did I say people? Pwedeng your people around you, pwedeng yung friends mo, yung relatives mo, whatever. Nakakakita ko dito ng family na very supportive and also they are willing to accept the flaws or yung mga pagkakamali and they are the one who would be by your side or laging nandiyan sa likod mo na pag kinailangan mo sila, lagi silang nandyan. And I feel like they are the one na medyo sinashower ka ng mga bagay na kailangan mo, okay? I see a person na ganun, very supportive yung kanilang family. And we also have here King of Wands and Knight of Wands. Why do I feel like medyo ang nakukuha ko dito is that your person is trying na kung ano yung mga pagkukulang niya or yung mga meron dun sa other person na tingin niyang threat sa relationship nyo, ginagawa niya. Yun po yung nakukuha ko dito ha. Kasi with the Knight of Wands and the King of Wands, this person is willing to do everything para hindi ka mawala. Okay? So, maaaring kung ano man yung mga, I see a mature person dito. We also have here King of Cups. So, this person really loves you. Mahal na mahal ka niya. But then, I see someone here waiting. We have here Temperance, Sagittarius energy. And this person is like waiting. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. And then, yung person mo is like, as long as you are with me. Pero I see you looking at this person. Might be in the in social media and pictures, okay? So, or maybe in your past, I mean, in your dreams, okay? Or might be pag nakahiga ka, naaalala mo itong person na ito. And your person sees that. Your person feels that. Especially kung matagal na kayong magkarelasyon. Nakukuha niya yung energy mo na may pagbabago dito. Pero ang ano ng person mo, as long as you are with me, yun yung pinangahawakan niya. As long na ako ang pinipili mo, as long na nasa akin ka, kahit iniisip mo siya. Kumbaga nagpapakamartir dito yung person mo sa side na ito. And we have here the Knight, the Hermit, and the Nine of Wands. I feel like he or she is judging the situation. Okay? Maaring itinatanggi mo, but then sa back kasi ng mind ng person mo, it feels like hindi, alam ko naman talaga yung totoo eh. Masakit sa akin para kumprontahin ka or sabihin sa'yo yung mga nilalaman ng nasa isip ko, nasa puso ko. But I know what is going on. Sabi niya ganon. Parang alam ko kung ano nangyayari, alam ko kung ano nararamdaman mo kasi may nagbago sa'yo, ang daming nagbago sa'yo. Pagdating sa pagsasama natin with the Four of Wands, medyo nagkakaroon ng I see deep regrets with the Five of Cups and a lot of parang treasured memories na parang I don't know, it feels like masyadong mabilis kalimutan. Okay? And yeah, might be because you're thinking of someone and the someone is like for some of you might be your twin flame or your soulmate energy here. So, medyo dahil na-stuck ka lang dito sa present situation, hindi ka makaalis. But then, there's a lot of regrets pagdating dito sa relationship na to for some of you. May mga nangihinayang dito. For some of you, pwedeng kasi medyo napaaga or medyo naging mas mabilis yung decision dito na nangyari. And we also have here the High Priestess and the Hanged Man. You're really waiting for your soulmate. You're really waiting for this person. So, nakuha ko yung waiting dito sa side mo. Pero pwede rin kasi na yung person mo is waiting eh. Okay? Let me get more cards for you. What do we have here for Virgo? In relationship. For December 2020 to January 2021. See, we have here unrequited love, and the next card is the finances and career. For what I can see here, you're well focused talaga dito sa iyong finances and career, sa pera mo, sa mga bagay na naandyan sa harapan mo ngayon, sa present moment mo, sa if there's children, you're well focused on the children, and sa mga bagay na, you know, more on material things, may mga gusto kang maabot, but you know, this person is really feeling like you have this, there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Parang, kahit anong gawin niyang paglapit or anong gawin niyang action, it feels like hindi na, wala na. Kasi yung attention mo nasa iba na. Yun yung emotion na nakukuha ko dito sa person mo. And yun yung thoughts. Actually, for some of you, that is the advice. That is the advice for you. If the relationship is parang paubos na ng paubos yung love dito, it feels like wala nang rason para magkaroon. I mean, there's a lot of reason for some of you, but then mas kumaga ah, kaya ka nakikipagsama or kaya ka nakikipagrelasyon is because ang pinakamahalaga diyan ay kung hindi pagtitiwala ay pagmamahal. Pero kung wala na yung parehong yan, para saan pa yung relasyon? So that's it for now, Virgo. Thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. And meron din pa po tayong isang channel which is the Virgo Philippines. I hope mag-subscribe din po kayo doon. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng yan. Nagko-concentrate kami doon guys sa Virgo. So please do subscribe us there. Then I love you guys and bye-bye.